Want to change the charging sound on your iPhone? Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the charging sound of your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Shortcut app, Automation from the bottom. Now tap Create Personal Automation. Scroll down, tap Charger, make sure it's connected is selected. Then tap Next from the top right corner. Now tap on the plus Add Action. Tap on the search bar, type Speak, then tap Speak Text. Now input, hey, it's charging. Then tap Next from the top right corner. Now toggle off to ask before running. Tap Don't Ask. Then tap Done from the top right corner. After that, plug in the charger and check whether the new sound works or not. And it works for me. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.